अभी एक बच्चा है यहाँ पे, अब्दुल्ला मेरे सामने खड़ा है, 10 साल इसकी उम्र है। ये मेरी इन्वेस्टमेंट अब्दुल्ला के ऊपर है, फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग। क्यों? अब्दुल्ला ने संभालना है अगले पाकिस्तान में। मेरे इत्तेफाक को ये स्पेशली इस्लामाबाद से आया है इस इवेंट को अटेंड करने के लिए। मैं चाहूंगा इवेंट के बाद बच्चे को मेरे सामने बैठा हुआ ये गुजारिश करें कि जो यूथ बैठी है यहाँ पे, अब्दुल्ला एक मिनट को मेरे पास जरा प्लीज क्लैपिंग करें इस बच्चे के लिए प्लीज। ये मेरा अजीज नहीं है बच्चा, ये मैं इसको मिला ही 4 दिन पहले इस्लामाबाद के अंदर, लेकिन जो इसने मेरे सवाल किए हैं फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग इस बच्चे ने, उसने मेरे रूपटे खड़े कर दिए कि ये बच्चा कितना इंटेलिजेंट बच्चा है, ये पाकिस्तान का बच्चा है।
Hackathon event showcases Pakistan's young talent and emphasizes cybersecurity. The Ministry of Information, IT, and Telecommunications Institution organized a significant hackathon event at Pearl Continental Karachi. The event, focused on service security, attracted young participants from across Pakistan, aiming to discover and nurture the country's technological talent. Among the participants was Abdullah Nasir, the youngest attendee, who was specially invited from Islamabad. Abdullah's presence served as an inspiration and motivation for other children. Mr. Ammar Jafri, a prominent figure in the tech industry, played a marvelous role in the event. He expressed his intention to develop and invest in Abdullah, seeing him as a future leader in technology for Pakistan. The event highlighted the importance of emerging technologies and cybersecurity, crucial areas for Pakistan's development in the digital age. Participants engaged in various activities designed to enhance their skills in these fields, preparing them to tackle future challenges. Throughout the event, Abdullah had the opportunity to meet with various cyber technology experts, including Dr. Shaheer and others. These interactions provided valuable learning experiences for Abdullah, who received widespread appreciation for his enthusiasm and potential. The sessions covered a range of topics, from basic cybersecurity principles to advanced technological innovations, offering a comprehensive learning platform for all attendees. Organizers and attendees alike expressed hope that Abdullah Nasir will become a beacon of hope for Pakistan's technological future. The event underscored the critical role of nurturing young talent and investing in the next generation of tech leaders, ensuring that Pakistan remains at the forefront of technological advancements.